Here's a step-by-step guide to fix error code 0xc0000098 on Windows. This error usually happens when the boot configuration data or BCD file is missing or corrupted. Step 1. Boot from Windows installation media. First, insert a Windows installation USB or DVD. Then, restart your computer. Next, press the key to open the boot menu, usually F12, Escape, or Delete, depending on your system. After that, choose the USB or DVD drive. Now just wait for the Windows setup screen. Step 2. Open Command Prompt. On the Windows setup screen, choose your language and click Next. Then click Repair your computer at the bottom left. Select Troubleshoot. After that, choose Command Prompt. Step 3. Rebuild the boot configuration data. In Command Prompt, type the following command and press Enter bootrec /fixmbr. Then type this command and press Enter bootrec /fixboot. Now rebuild the BCD with this command bootrec /scanos. Finally, add the installations to the BCD bootrec /rebuild BCD. If asked to add the installation to the boot list, just type Y and press Enter. Alright, let's move on to step 4, which is to restart your computer. First, you'll want to close the command prompt. Then, go ahead and click Continue to boot into Windows. If everything went smoothly, your system should start up normally without any hiccups. If the error is not fixed, try the following additional steps. Option 1. Run System File Checker. First, open Command Prompt from the repair options. Then type the following and press Enter sfc /scanow. Option 2. Use Startup Repair. Head over to Troubleshoot, select Startup Repair, and let Windows attempt to fix the issue automatically. Option 3. Restore the system. From Troubleshoot, choose System Restore. Select a restore point from before the problem started, and follow the prompts to restore.